Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the voltage and power equation of a DC motor. So, what is the voltage equation of the DC motor? This is the diagram of a motor. This is the armature resistance. This is the armature, and we apply the voltage V in this circuit. Okay, so what is the voltage equation of the DC motor? Voltage equation V is equal to back EMF E into I into RA. If we apply the KVL in this circuit, so what is the value of V? So V is equal to IARA plus EB is equal to V. If we multiply both sides of equation by IA, we get, if we multiply IA on both sides of equation, so V into IA is equal to EB into IA plus IA into IA means IA square RA. So this is the power equation. Okay? Because what is the power? Power is voltage into current. If we talk about the DC, okay. So V into IA is equal to EV. EV is also a voltage. So EV into IA, this is also power. This is also power, and this is also a power. So what is V into IA? This V into IA is the input power supply. Okay, we apply the voltage V. So what is armature taken as an input? V into IA. EV into IA is the mechanical power developed in the armature. Okay, what is the mechanical power developed? Okay, and what we give the input V into IA. V into IA is the power given to the armature, and what is the mechanical power developed in the armature is EV into IA. So this EV into IA is the mechanical output. Okay, this EV into IA is the mechanical power developed in the armature and also called armature output. This is the armature input and this is the armature output, and this armature output is the mechanical power developed in the armature, and IA square RA is the power loss in the armature. What is power is loss in the armature winding is called IA square RA, means copper losses. Armature copper loss is equal to IA square into RA. So this is the voltage equation of the DC motor, and this is the power equation of the DC motor. If we find out the condition of maximum power, you find out the condition of maximum power. So what is the value of power? V into IA, this is the power input is equal to EV IA plus IA square RA. So this is the mechanical power developed in the armature. So this is also we will write EB into IA is equal to mechanical power developed in the armature. Okay. Yes. This is the PM, mechanical power developed in the armature. So what is PM? What is PM? So PM is equal to V into IA minus IA square RA. So PM is equal to V into IA minus IA square RA, and this is the mechanical power developed in the armature. So for maximum power, what is the condition of maximum power? Maximum power, if we differentiate this equation with respect to current, okay, and equate to 0, then we will get the maximum value of power. So we differentiate this with respect to IA. So we if we differentiate with respect to IA, what we'll get? V into IA means V, differentiate PM with respect to IA means we differentiate dPm with respect to IA, okay, and put this equation equate to 0, then we'll get the maximum power. So what is the value of PM? This is V into IA minus IA square RA upon IA is equal to 0. We will differentiate this equation. So V into IA means V, माइनस आई ए स्क्वायर आर ए का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है 2 इंटू आई ए आर इज इक्वल टू 0. सो आई ए, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ आई ए? आई ए इज इक्वल टू वी बाई 2r. This is RA. So IA into RA is equal to V by 2. So this is the condition. IAR is equal to V by 2. If we put the value of IARA is equal to V by 2. Okay. So what will we get? As we know that the voltage equation of DC motor is V is equal to EV plus IARA. And we put the value of IARA is equal to V by 2, then we will get the maximum power. Okay, so V is equal to EV plus IARA is equal to EV plus V by 2. And so what the value of EV is equal to V by 2. See, this is the condition of maximum power. What is this? If the back EMF of DC motor is equal to the V by 2, then we will get the maximum power, but this is the practically impossible to achieve. As for this current required is much more than its normal rated value. So large heat will be produced and efficiency of motor will be less than 50%. Okay. So what is the condition of maximum power? Maximum power, we will get the maximum power if the back EMF, the value of back EMF is equal to the V by 2. And this condition is practically impossible. So thank you so much.